you can't tell by the snoring, I'm gonna beat the fuck out of this dude. This dude's a heavy sleeper, holy shit.